Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may have noticed that there are a bunch of projects that show you how to use some pen blocks in different ways, like for Halloween, or to make Nyan Cat Simulator, or to be able to make some spray paint art, or even Architect Simulator, etc. But I want to show you another project that also uses pen blocks. And this project uses pen blocks in a really, really cool way. So this project is called Landmarks Sites 2.5D version 1.0. It is by Epic Fire Ghost. So press the green flag. Okay, so it gives us information about the Eiffel Tower. And then I can actually move the mouse and it'll give me different information in different language. And it will actually change the perspective of this landmark. And this is using all pen blocks. This is so cool. Now, this is a very advanced way to use some pen blocks. And if we click See Inside, and we zoom out a bit, we can see that they used a lot of different code. And if we go to the left, we can see some more. If we go to the right, we can see some more. And then it's got code for the different languages and whatnot. So this is a really neat idea. If you want to take a look at this project, make sure you check out the description. If you want to learn how to teach Scratch or to be able to create stuff in Scratch, there's some links in there. And if you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below so we can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.